We are building AskGenie, an AI financial assistant that helps users achieve long-term financial stability. So we built AskGenie on top of LangGraph, which we used as our agent orchestration layer. For tracing and monitoring, as well as alerts, we used LangSmith as our observability platform.
So if you're able to interact with AskGenie, which I like to think of AskGenie as my personal accountant, sometimes it tells me I'm overspending, which is another story. But it just facilitates the interaction using natural conversation of, hey, I wonder where my money is going. Can you please tell me what those areas are? Our agent has multiple steps and processes. So a lot of the times where you have tools that the agent is supposed to use, and some of your tools might be similar. For instance, you have two customer support tools, one answering general customer support questions, and another one connecting the user to an actual customer support agent. We've noticed that sometimes the AI would mix and confuse the two. So we had to design two different evaluators to make sure that we got the intent of the customer right. One of the most important things that we used was a combination of things that the LangSmith platform offers. Number one was just traceability that allow us to break down our agent run into its multiple steps. And we were able to see how the agent was reasoning. And based on that, we were able to make a lot of the changes that allow us to improve its performance. But doing this manually at a very large scale over thousands of traces, that proved to be hard. But one of the things that helped us expedite the process was using the insights feature that allows us to basically break down all of our traces into its different use cases. And we were able to segment the traces that were directly related to customer support issues. And inside those, then we were able to use those questions to create tests. Let's create a list of 100 and 200 questions, each aimed at trying to get one specific behavior. And let's make sure that more often than not, we can get the result. One thing we like about working with the LangChain team is that it feels more similar to working with an internal team than an external company. Whether we were having questions of what was the best approach or we were running into certain issues, we were able to text them and get an answer back from them within minutes. So it really felt as having them as another team within the company.